Love WordCamps, but couldn't make it to Philly? This is Doc Pop's News Drop. We are in Philadelphia at the WordCamp US 2016. This year's event had nearly 1,900 attendees, with nearly as many people watching online through the live stream. We posted 10 video interviews already with fascinating attendees, some of whom were first-timers, others were speakers. I highly recommend checking them out, especially the talk with Joost de Valk on SEO and what's changed since 2015, and Erica Varlisi, who taught some simple yoga exercises for desk jockeys. These are really cool yoga exercises you can do while sitting at your chair in the office or at home, because we do this all the time, and it's not yoga. Downward finger. The conference just ended with Matt Mullenweg's annual State of the Word address, where we learned several fascinating facts, like 4% of WordPress sites have updated to PHP 7, 28% of sites are running JavaScript, and 11.5% are on HTTPS. Mullenweg also said he'd love to see all of those numbers increase by next year and lead to a faster and safer web for everyone. We also got a great preview of the new 2017 theme, which is one of the first default themes focused on businesses, which could indicate a trend in WordPress moving away from blogging platform and more towards enterprise and e-commerce. After all, every business needs a website. Helen Hosundi also took the stage to talk about WordPress 4.7, the newest core update, which goes live this Tuesday, she promises. This update is going to include the long-hyped REST API content endpoints, which is exciting news! That's it for this week's News Drop. Be sure to watch all of our WordCamp US interview videos. We'll be posting them on torquemag.io, or you can just see them on this